So for this challenge, this challenge, I decided to go with a web application that helps students to prepare for AWS certification. Now, I remember very perfectly that when I was studying, I did not have access to questionnaires, random questionnaires that I can see and compare myself how I'm studying against. So, to achieve that, I basically have a backend that is very small, that is a custom script that feeds questions into a DynamoDB table. This is the first service that is serverless that I used. I used JavaScript and AWS CDK to inject data into the database. Then for the front end, I have a React application that I build obviously with JavaScript or TypeScript, but this time around with mostly TypeScript. And then for the authentication, I went with Cognito. So you will see that here I have Cognito. The rest of the information here, it's pretty secret environment variables. So I have this React app. Now, what's powering this React app and feeding this React app is basically the DynamoDB table that I said earlier on, a Lambda function which is triggered by API gateway. API gateway gets exam code and then a section of the exam that we're going to access. It is deployed. It is hosted in S3, deployed on Amplify, and distributed by CloudFront. Now let's have a quick sample of the project itself. This is the live application. So we click login, and then it takes you to the authentication page, which is Cognito. I'll just go with Google OAuth. Uh, then let's log in with my Google account. Then it redirects me here. So this is where you then select the exam that you want. In this case, let's just go with say solutions architect. um, and then it loads. This is the exam code that it's passing to the API gateway. Then I click the section, then start. So then we have the exam code and the section, and then you have 30 questions to answer. So if I was to rush through these very quickly, just for the sake of finishing quickly, you see that towards the end it does calculation of your score. So let's do that very quickly. Okay, 3 4 more questions. And then this is the end. So that's the project. Thank you.